Namaste and a very good morning, dear students. This is Yojana ma'am with your maths class, and I hope you all are doing great. In today's class, we will be discussing multiplication and multiplication of two-digit numbers with one-digit number. For example, 46 multiplied by 9, 38 multiplied by 7 means two-digit number will be multiplied by one digit number. Okay, shall we start? Let us start with multiplication. Now this is a multiplication sentence and this can be read in multiple ways. Let us see how we can read it. It can be read as 4 5s are 20 or 4 times 5 is 20. Another way to read this sentence is 4 multiplied by 5 is 20. Now this is a multiplication sentence. Now you are using this multiplication sentence in form of tables also. And this type of multiplication is known as horizontal multiplication. But now for multiplication sums, we are going to use vertical multiplication. And how do we represent it? It is written like this: 6 multiplied by 7 and the product of these two numbers is 42. Now let us do some examples using this vertical multiplication. 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. And again we know 40 is the product of 5 and 8. And now we have 7 multiplied by 9 and the product we get is 63. 4 multiplied by 6 gives us 24. One more example is 3 multiplied by 5 and the product of these two numbers is 50. Let us move on to two-digit into one-digit multiplication. Means when a two-digit number is multiplied by one-digit number. Let us do one example of this. 12 multiplied by 3. And how do we write this question? In this form. And now we have to see if we are doing such type of questions, how are we going to solve these? First of all, these two numbers will be multiplied. Means 3 2s are. 3 2s are, or if we have any issues we can do 2 3s are. We can do it both ways. 2 3s are or 3 2s are. And the answer is 6. So we will write 6 here. Now next step is we will multiply this 3 with 1. Means first we will do multiplication of digits at ones place and then this digit at ones place is multiplied by the digit at tens place. And here we are going to get 3. 3 ones are 3. And the product of 12 and 3 is 36. Let us do one more example. 24 multiplied by 2. Let us see how do we go about it. The same way, digits at ones place are multiplied and we get 8. 2 4s are 8 or 4 2s are 8. Then 2 2s are 4. So I hope you know the process now. Let us do more examples. This is 36 multiplied by 3. Now digits at ones place are multiplied, means 3 is multiplied by 6. 3 6 are 18. Now we are not going to write 18 here. We will take the carry to tens place and this carry is 1 and this will go to tens place. Now 3 is multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9 and now this carry is added to this 9. 3 3s are 9 and 1 is added to this 9 and we get 10. Let us do it with one more example. 54 multiplied by 8. Let us see how do we go about it. Again, 8 fours are or 4 eights are is 32. Now 2 will be written here and 3 as carry will go to tens place. Okay. Now 8 is multiplied by 5 means 8 fives are. 8 fives are 40 and we are going to add this carry to 40. 8 fives are 40 plus 3 is 43. Clear? Let us do one more example. 79 multiplied by 6. Again, digits at ones place are multiplied. 6 nines are 54. So 4 is written here and this carry is taken to tens place. 6 nines are 54, carry is 5. Now 6 is multiplied with 7. 6 sevens are 42 and this carry is added to 42. 42 plus 5 and the answer is 47. I hope I am clear with this now and I am going to tell you some points that you have to remember during multiplication. I think you are by now clear with this letter X, which is a sign of multiplication. And I just told you when we multiply two or more numbers, the answer that we get is called product. And any number that we multiply by 1, we are going to get the same number. For example, 12 into 1 is 12. 46 into 1 is 46. 800 multiplied by 1 is 800. Okay, so any number which is multiplied by 1 and the product that we get is the same number. And if we multiply any number by 0, we get 0 as the product. Okay, and children, as I daily or you can say regularly I tell you to revise tables, because without tables multiplication is a difficult task. Okay children, practice multiplication also and revise tables also. So children, this was all about today's class. I am sending you one worksheet. Do that in your notebooks neatly. And do not forget to revise tables. Revise the multiplication sums also. And see you in the next class. Okay children, take care. Bye-bye.